Good morning, student. Today we will discussion about enterprise integration gateway. Gateway, why we have used gateway? Gateway uses the connectivity between one and more network, and the gateway bridge and gap between the technology of enterprise and geographically created new possibles global business with the generation. Previous class we have discussed residential gateway. Residential gateway is used individual purpose, but here is that entrepreneurial gateway is that there are different type of entrepreneurial sector, industrial sector that I have used entrepreneurial gateway. Entrepreneurial gateway is that will support the secure and seamless communication of financial information between disappear systems. Enterprise integrators belong to next generation of the secure, and they are more secure for industrial sector and industrial gateway to be used. Here is that technology, that system one. Here is that input, and here is the input convert, and that convert to store, and the route and go to the output. Again request, go to the convert, then store, and this is the sequence, this is method. Here is that routing system and notification, where is the problem notification, report, and SATA. This is the process of entrepreneurial. Entrepreneurial gateway is the guarantee of message delivery. That is entrepreneurial guarantee. The message can delivery through networking. That are entrepreneurial gateway rules. System geographically agnostic and leave connectivity between system and connectivity limited. That all possible to entrepreneur. Prevent brand the solution flexible deployment option that becomes a SaaS and software technology that also use entrepreneur. Integrated legal maintain running the files in fixed length and conversion, that also entrepreneur. Then we will discuss on wireless access point. Wireless point in constantly with the digital age, strong reliable wireless network. Connectivity in the dispensable and the copy and the wireless pointing the what is the access point? Access point is the use of wireless. Access point is that point which is connectivity with the different node, that are connectivity with the network, that is the access point. Wireless network will access and connect with the network through any devices or wireless devices, that is wireless access point. Wireless access point is the play vital role in the delivery of the network service across the various settings, including BG and WhatsApp, the traveling home environment, and maximize the understanding that how use the wireless technologies. And wireless access point, there are significant wireless technology have used wireless and communication with the network, local and access the access point. Local and reception of the packet of the wide area network, the wireless client mode and the common mode of the operation of wireless access points. Maintain throughout the reducing the wireless technology. Here is the technology have the internet in it, connected with the wireless router, wireless access point. Access point with connectivity, right? Access point to the devices with connectivity with the internet. Here is the access point connectivity is the smartphone connectivity, where the wireless the connectivity is the PC, and more than PC and connect and devices, input devices, there are devices such as smartphone, PC, and there connectivity wireless access point. Wireless is the access point of the connectivity internet. This is the known as outdoor access point. In this model is the act the bridge of the connection of two segments of network of the wireless in two sub modes and point to point bridge, and we can connect the route on remote of access point. With the point and multi point of the bridge, more can be connected with the LAN with wireless in the support the non-wireless. The next point is the bridge mode. Bridge mode, how to connect with the bridge mode. Bridge mode is the mode, here is that bridge is the connectivity to networking place. Here is the one is networking group, the other is the networking group. Here is the wireless access point, here is the wireless access point. The wireless access point connectivity, here one device, two device, more than one can device but this access point. This access point connectivity other access point through bridge. Bridge is the interface between two networking point, that is known as bridge mode connectivity. Next are client mode. In this app connectivity another wireless networking as the client devices. Enabling device where a desktop computer with Wi-Fi card that client mode. And when the card use also connectivity two more devices, that is the client mode connectivity. Client mode connectivity is that here is that more assured wireless access point connectivity to internet. Here is the client smartphone and their connectivity to this is the client mode connectivity. And next is that sniffer mode. Sniffer mode diagonal setting is allowed covering all or wireless traffic in between regarding the destination. It also troubleshooting, secure analysis, monitoring. And sniffer based is the connectivity with the connectivity regulation. It uses troubleshooting and secure analysis, more secure in the sniffer. Here wireless point, here is that connectivity through secure monitoring system. They control the secure system, all the device management connectivity through assessment connectivity, the monitoring analysis, the sniffer monitoring and monitoring guide to more than one device. More secure and those devices want to connectivity that get restriction according to coding system. That sniffer is more restriction maintained according to connectivity the access point. And here is that rigor detector mode is monitoring authorized access point is the networking identifier flag and device is the pre-approval list. This mode help to maintain networking. Rigor system is that here access point more than two access point connectivity through, that is the rigor system. Here is that two connectivity access point connectivity to other net devices, that is known as rigor system. Repeater mode. Repeater mode means when connected one and devices, there have required a repeater. Why required? Required is weak signal when got to when networking. There are some signal, weak signal reached on the networking. So weak signal which is problem what was the weak signal is not possible to in a target place. That is the repeater. Repeater mode is weak signal convert to high strong signal. The repeater mode is essential. Suppose in a cable networking there have some repeater is present in every long distance place. That is why weak signal to convert to strong signal, then easily the last access point can easily get strong signal. That is the use of the repeater modes. Networking added transmission. The translation is essential part. Why translation? Translation means here is that support on language translation in convert to one language. Here is the networking transmission. This is networking address transmission. When computer can understand only binary language. Binary language means that is at 0 1 and translate address have related networking address related with some numbers of octal number, hexadecimal numbers and decimal number. There are also number and then convert to again to the binary number. This is known as networking, and on the time of networking the translation is spent. Networking NAT means networking address transmission convert to network and convert to binary, then you can understand this way that connectivity onto devices. Then dynamic address, previous class we have dynamic IP address means that IP address every time is changeable, that is known dynamic address. Static address, that address continue, that is known statistic address. This also we known as. Here is the fixed detachable antenna. Fixed detachable antenna is used for antenna connectivity. So connectivity devices AX66 fixed detachable. Next is that advanced filter. Advanced filter capability. Advanced filter capability is filter the signals. So many signals are reached on the here is that filter control the filter. The advanced filter is filter capability of the solution and control the filter URL. URL means so many URL. URL means support of the website double something website, some company website .com.in. This is a URL and so many URL means that website. website. Suppose here is the www something website cutm.ac.in. Here is that website w is the http is the hypertext transport protocol, is the www is the web and the globally database, and something cutm dot, here is that some website name dot coms mean commercial in Indians. This way is a filter, and according to filter all the URL not can be connected, filter the where some website is restriction maintained or the other website not be maintained. That is restriction maintained by advanced filtering and configuring according to systems. Here is that US configuring management is possible to maintain such as the computer hardware software desirable configuration management. According to configuration management, the advanced filter capability to filter the URL according to the URL, the filter then should give permission that will connectivity to access point. This is the point of the next 12 discussion.